Been in the garage working all day, been in the kitchen working all day on jigs. Got coffee going. That's cool. More coffee. Drank coffee all day. Hooked up fishing, baby. Hooked up high performance outside. Yeah, I've been in the garage trying to clear out and throw stuff away. So cleared out a lot of stuff because I got so much stuff and I ain't worried about it. I got 2 sacks of trash. let y'all see that installation, but I took and cut that out, and now I have my light strip for the back of my kayak. Yeah, I missed some steps here, guys. I didn't get to show y'all everything, but I'll do it on the other one. But I basically, now you guys can have LED light strips that are plug and play for the back of your kayak here. And I'll walk you through the process of doing the next one. But I actually, the only thing, hey, look, see, every time I'm doing something, you want to come out here and then go run in the house because you hear somebody get on. Man, this dog here. So now what I have is, these are the only tools I needed to do this job. And I'll show you on the next one, but I already had this one built pretty much and got carried away and didn't slow down. And one thing I love is this Barrage Infinity. And the good thing about it is it doesn't have a lot of the bad stuff that a lot of your glues and polymers will have. Okay, it's pretty, you know, earth friendly. So there is the hard hitter style kayak transport, tail light, brake light, signal light. If you want, you can hook all of that up, and you'll need that harness there that I got here on Amazon as well. And I hadn't wired it all in yet, but maybe I'll walk y'all through me wiring it up. All right, get back with y'all later. So I'll simply take it for me to turn the flashes on, or just turn the lights on. Yep, I got lights, man. That's gonna be a whole lot better at night, guys, than worrying about a flag and somebody seeing a flag. And my kayak is gonna be sticking out, and that is going to be nice, man. And like I said, the finishing touches are gonna be my favorite thing to use. And guys turned me on to it, so I may as well turn everybody else on to them. And I know I threw some in here. Now that I'm looking for them, I don't see them. I've been in the garage cleaning this weekend, so now that I tossed them, they're nowhere to be found. But I keep some somewhere else, and I'll be able to go to them real quick here. Here they go. I stuck them in here. I love using these, and that's basically all I'm gonna do is come in here and use these to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere when I do. And that one ain't long enough, so what I'll be doing is putting two of them together, because you can do that. And I got some more of it inside the hatch there. So see if I know what I'm doing. Sure, that goes like that. That's holding good. So in order to cinch it down, guys, all I'm basically going to do is come in here with this. That way I know it's not going anywhere. And it's, boom, easy put on, easy take off. Works off my tail lights. And I'll be making these, guys, for guys that want to purchase them outright. And I also showed you guys how to do them in case, you know, you don't want to contribute to the cause and let the hard hitter make a little piece of change. But that's it, man. That's it's Kayak Light 101 there. So that job's done. And we'll move on to the next job. I got lights. You want to check it out right quick? You see it?
Yeah, that bottom one not getting hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna order.
Oh yeah, about time.
No, I'm just saying that the way, instead of a flag at night.
Yeah, they can see it at night. They can't see that flag somebody.
No, not at night. Jared came up with the idea. He used PVC, but I told him, I said, man, you can't give me no idea. I'm gonna come up with something.
With the PVC.
It's like hard plastic.
Yeah, why you ain't use that?
That's not good.
It's not?
No, this here is more easy on your kayak. You ain't scratching it up. It's pool noodles is what everybody use, and it's there.
Yeah, it look good. Neat.
Yep. All right, on to the next project. I'm gonna put this up and go in there and find me something neat. Yep.
Yep, that's nice.
And then it's easy install. You pull your little. These are neat. They're better than zip ties because you can reuse them, but they stick. These deals here.
You gonna put them on both ends?
Yeah, on both ends, and then boom, you just cinch it down tight so one don't move.
Yeah, that's fine. You might as well leave it on there. Ain't you gonna go more?
Yeah, you're right. Go get some more of my cinch down stuff. Cinch it down tight.
And the water won't hurt it?
No, it's completely. You can put them underwater and stuff. That's what's
LED
good about.
lights?
They better than trailer lights. That's what he uses to haul his bikes. See, and now it's a little snug. It don't spin easy. The wind ain't gonna spin it.
Yeah, the back, I might have to fry all them things. The
oven.
The oven is. Alright, well, I can fool with it later on.
All right. All right.
This clean that you left right there?
What's that? Most likely, yeah. Go out to the car and check it out. The truck, at least. But this should be the finished product. I think what I'm going to do before I transport it is go ahead and wrap those wires. A good thing to do is tie one back so you don't get confused when you're doing your wiring. Basically on this light you have signal as well, but that's why I have two wires out. I didn't want to use signal because it's just going to be riding on the back of my kayak here, and this is just beautiful, guys. I mean, all I got to do is pop this on, and my favorite thing to use are those strips. See, I don't want to put any pressure on this until I wrap this up. That's it. And I build these lights, guys, right here in-house, and I'll show you how I basically, with my X-Acto knife, I'll just lay this out here centered, and you got to be good at it. You know, you only cut down so deep to where you're only going to cut a little ditch or a cavity to where you're going to have this light. Always cut away from yourself. You're going to have this light with them little fingertips out of the way. You're going to basically have this light buried down inside, so there's no chance it's not exposed. There's nothing to hang on to it or grab onto it. It's inside there. And the only three tools you need is this infinity glue, big enough drill bit for your wire, which I'm going to bore a hole right through there, and that's it, man. And you're in business with a running light instead of that flag at night, because you know a lot of people can't see that flag at night, and the way people are driving and running up on you, you want to have some sense of security out there. And you see there, guys, I just basically, I got a little cavity cut there, and that's where this is going to sit. It's got a strip on there that's adhesive, but I come in here And once you get that down, if you just put a little pressure and push down, you're able to cut without cutting that edge. And you just about can tell depth, how deep you want to go once you've done one. And you're just cutting that out to where that light will fit down in there. You come in behind yourself and clean it all out and make it just exactly how you want it. It's just with your shavings, so you have a solid, gluing foundation. But that's basically it, guys. And when you're done and you got something that's showing, you just basically come down to it, how deep you are, then come across. And you'll pull that complete section out of there with just one cut. And should be still running here. Do I have a red light? Yeah. So same thing on this side over here. If you're not down deep enough, you just go in here, you go in there, and then you come back at an angle and you pull that out to where you got the right depth all the way around. Same thing down on this end. Go in, come in at an angle at the top of it, cut it out. And now I come in and just lightly brush, and anything that's loose is going to show its face. And you got a perfect ditch here for your light to sit down in. You know how you guys said I didn't want to be digging ditches? Well, guess what? Should have learned how to dig ditches or trenches or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. There you go, guys. And boom. I come right in here. It's going to try to walk on you at first. Got to be in control of the situation there. And you basically come out right there and you come back, and what you have is running lights for your kayak now. You just simply run these wires through where that hole you just drilled. That's neat. You got a LED turn light, brake light, running light for your kayaks, guys, that once you pop it in place, glue it down in place, wow, just pop it on, pop it off. You got trailer lights. All right? Give it to Art here. He'll show you some things, man. Mine's done. This one's for whomever, So I'll have these lights. I'll show you how to do them. DYE, trailer light, install, hookup, connection. I'll finalize it, put it to use tomorrow because I'll be going to Conroe later. And you know what it is, hooked up fishing, baby. Well, I keep you hooked up later. You can bring the ball now. Come on, you can bring it. Go get it. Go get your ball. Go get it. Go get your ball. Go get it. You can bring it. Come on, you can bring it in here. Okay. I was cooking. I didn't want you to bring it while I was cooking. You want me to kick it? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, see how you acting? You come get it. And take it out of here. Go take it back. No, get your ball. Get your ball. No, come here. Come here. Get your ball. Don't bring it to me. Come here. Get your ball. Come get your ball. Now take it in there. Get your ball. Get it. Take it in there. Take it in there. Don't you bring it in here. I'm cooking. Take it all the way in there. Don't bring it back. Okay, bring your ball. Bring it here. Okay, put it down. Put it down. Wait a minute. You want me to kick it? You want me to kick it? Okay, I'm going to kick it. See that? Got away from you. It got away from you. You ain't ready. You ain't ready. You ain't ready. Here it come. Here it come. Here it come. Here it come. You better catch it. Look at that. That's one smart dog.